Yo, what's up everybody? We made it to our home for the night. We're at Somerville Lake here in Texas. This is Rockey Creek Campground and we're staying at site number 139. Let me show you guys around. These spots right here are very big. They fit 65 feet.
Dude, it's hard. We got 50 amp, 30 amp, and 20 amp. And we got water. We also got the picnic table here. We got the fire ring. The best part is this side. Dun, 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 dun. Come with me.
Let's go hook up the Starlink. Ta-da! Right there. Let's get that Starlink in, connector right here. All right, so this is the pivot mount from Starlink. We just open this up, just like that, tighten it down, and then click this into place. Boom. And we should have internet in a few minutes. So when it's flat like that, it's looking for satellites. Once it finds a good satellite connection, it just locks on. I think that's how it works. We got internet, but guess what? The kids don't even need it. You know why? They got this lovely lake. Let's go check it out. You're saving Mother Earth. You're picking up the trash.
You pick up the trash.
Look at
Other
Jazzy.
people's.
Jasmine just went around and picked up all the trash at our campsite. Whoever was here before us, shame on you.
You can go in there, Kuya.
Look what I got. Beach toys. She has sand all over her body. Better? I'll make them right now.
I can put some here. What's up guys, we got popping fruit jellies. Yeah, they're on TikTok and people call them jelly fruits. Cheers. Wait, you gotta say the name. Hit or miss.
Hit or miss. Miss.
Here's the pineapple. Hit or miss.
Do it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hit or miss.
Dude, you got me. Well guys, it's too hot. I'm gonna call it a day. We had fun out here at the lake. See you tomorrow. Peace.